So now our next question is pre-order, and in order are given, we have to find post order. So this kind of questions come in GATE. Okay, so now let's see. Pre-order means left, root, left, right. First is root, and in order means left, root, right. So here our F is the root. So here let's point it out. F is our root. So now in order we have to find out where F is there. See, this is F, this means this is our root. So here we start making our tree. So all this is in our right, H, D, B, G, and all this E. We have to write in this order, okay, because here the root will be I will tell you. Okay, let's move on. So now our next root is A. So point it out. A is here. So the left will be in our position, will be our left subtree, and CK will be our right subtree. So now erase this and make our tree. So now E is our next root, so nothing to do here. Then K is our next root and C is its child. So K is our root. So K is our root and C is our child, because C is present. See, obviously C is present in our left, because here C and K, C is our left and K is our root. Okay, so you have to check this also. When more than one element is there, we have to check this also. So C is our left and K is our root. So now let's say here H, D, B, G. So after this, D is our root. Okay, so D is our root. H is present here, nothing to do with H, B and G. So H is nothing to do. Then G point it out. G is here. So G is at the right position, and then B. So B will be here. Okay, so this is our tree. I will make it clear. Let me write here. F, A, D, E, K, then C, then H, G, then P. So this is our tree. Now we have to do post order. Let's say post order means third visit. We have to print. So first visit F, A is visited first, E is visited first, second time is visited, third time it is visited E. Then A is visited second time, K is visited first time, C is visited first and third. C is printed, K is visited second, let's say it is nothing there, so K is visited third time. Then A is visited third time, so A. Now F is visited second time because it is going here, right, it is pointing again right. So D is visited first, D is visited, H is visited first, second and third. Then D is visited second time, G is visited first time, B is visited first, then second and then third. D, then G is visited third time, G, then D is the third, and F is visited for last. So see, here we can check it out. F is our root, F is positioned at the end. So this is our, see, left, right, root is our post order. This is actually our post. So let's say we do the tree again. In order is given already. We find the pre-order. E, A, C, K, F, H, D, V, G. I am just copying here to here. So now let's say we have to find our pre-order. I've told you already that with help of post and in we find pre, and pre and in we find post. This kind of questions are asked. So now let's say this is our root. We have to find the root here. So f is our root. So we make the f as our root. Then all this is in left, all this in right. So E, A, C, K, H, D, B and G. So now point the next root. From right we will find the root, from left in pre-order from left hand side we will find the root, in post order with right hand side we find the root. So now D is our next root. So D is our root, and H, B, G. Okay, so this is now G is our next root. So G is here, B is positioned on the left, so B is here. See, then this is done, this tree is made on the now the left hand side. So A up till this is our right subtree. Now this is our left subtree. A is our root. So E will be positioned here, CK will be here. So now K is our next root. So K is present here and C is left of K. So we will write C here. See, the same tree we have made. Now we have to print the pre-order. Pre-order means first visit we have to print. Let's take another color here. So first visit, F is printed, then this is A, okay, nothing, this is just A. First visit A is printed, then first visit E is printed, first, second, K, first visit C, first, second, third, C is visited. So then first visit D, then first visit H, then second visited, third visited G, D is visited second time, G is visited first time, so G, then B is visited first time, B, and second, third, this is visited second, third, this is visited third time and third time. So this, let's check here, F, A, E, K, C, D, H, B, H, G, B, yes. So this is correct. Okay, so you don't have to do all this, but whatever you will be given, you have to answer that only. So now we will move on to our next topics. Let's see.